Hello, welcome to Final Fix. I am Ishwar, your tech. Today we are going to repair PlayStation 4 Pro. The problem on this PlayStation is there's no blue light. So when we press the power button, only one beep sound comes out. After that, there's no symptom powering on. So let me check together. Press the power button. Did you hear it? One beep sound. There's no blue light. So I think most likely on this PlayStation 4 Pro the power supply defect, I think, because this model PlayStation 4 has a lot of blue light of death error, but when we press the power button some second the blue light blinking, then it's shut off. But in this case only one time beep, there's no symptom or light or no sound, so that could be a power supply problem as far as my experience I am expecting. So I am going to first test the power supply. Okay. Be careful, there is a cable inside. Can you see it? So you need to remove safely. Okay. First of all, I want to tell something to the young boys, school boys. Most likely they have a PlayStation games console. If you have same problem, please don't try to repair yourself. Just watching this type of video on YouTube, it's danger, because there's the big capacitors inside. Even after you disconnect the cable on it contains 300 to 450 volts. If you touch the capacitors, you will be electrocuted and you will get a severe injury. Please bring it to your game console to the nearby repair shop. Okay, yeah, don't do it yourself. Okay, first thing first, this is the standby power. Okay, when you plug the main power, okay, when you plug the main power, we will have always on power, standby power, 5 volts here. When we press the power button, and then it triggered to the 12 volts that comes out in this port. Okay, so first things, I am going to check whether I have a 5 volts here. Okay, yes, I have a 5 volts standby power. Okay, 4.76. Yeah, maybe 2 pins plus and H voltage is minus. Okay, but to check the 12 volts, I had to short the 2 terminals here. There's no voltage, so I think our power supply has some problem. I had to see any blown capacitor, resistor or something else. Okay, and continuity mode. I don't think the 5 volts is available the first time, so most likely all fuses are good, I think. So I don't need to test anyway. Okay. Yeah. Whatever those capacitors. That's good. Yeah, good. Okay. So I'm going to see the other side. Okay. There's a blown component. You see it? Yeah. So, yeah. In this place here, there's I think it's a resistor. It's blown. So yeah, I can see the mark. So here, I think that should be a problem if I change the resistor and if I control other things, it should work. Okay, let me see in microscope now. This is a component. I think resistor R48 and the resistor so what's the value? R50. Yeah, this is a blown resistor. I think 915. It's around 9 mega ohm something. It's blown. Yeah, I want to take it out. Something. Just apply the flux. My hot air gun. First shoulder. Perfect. Yeah. That's the reason. Here's a link. It's a big wire. So this is a resistor I unsoldered from the donor board, the same power supply motherboard. So it's exact match, 915, 9 mega ohms I think resistor. I'm going to solder it. After that it should work. I hope that. Perfect.
Okay. Test the continuity.
I have soldered the new resistor. I got that from the donor board, the same PS4 Pro donor board I have here, and I'm going to test now how it's works. I don't know. Okay, be careful, and I'm going to show the here. And you see, now when I show the 5 standby voltage, and I have put the 12 voltage wire, the multimeter shows 12 voltage. Okay, yeah, that's the voltage needed for starting the PS4. So I hope that power supply repaired, problem solved, and I am going to put on the console and I will test. Okay, yeah. The power cable, I want to check first the power button, blue light on, punch pin, perfect. We have repaired the